Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are learning Flutter drawers and bottom navigation bar. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of upcoming Flutter tutorials. So let's get started. What are drawer and bottom navigation bar? So, a panel that slide in from the side of the screen typically used for navigation is a drawer, and bottom navigation bar, a bar at the bottom of the screen that allows switching between different views. Creating a drawer. So how we are create? So use the scaffold as a root widget and define a app bar and drawer properties like this. Here is the syntax of drawer, scaffold and the app bar and in the drawer. How to create a bottom navigation bar? So define a bottom navigation bar property of scaffold and add bottom navigation bar with items. Like this syntax is here, scaffold we are using, and in the scaffold bottom navigation bar provide bottom navigation bar with items like a home, search. Okay, so let's see with one example. So here is our home screen, and in the home screen we are a list of widget. Here I added a text. Also you are using stateful widgets screen as you are showing the main screen. Okay, and the on tap method I use an index to set state selected index of these pages. So we are using a scaffold, and in the scaffold the drawer properties we are use and add the drawer. Here is a drawer, and in the drawer in the child we are using a list view and add the all properties like this. Here is the text, here is our account email id, current account pictures like avatar here is, and add list style for the home and icon all, and on tap method we are open our screen. Here is the selected index. Okay, so here we are click on home. Here is home page, and then search, so the search page, and then profile, so the profile page. Same as we are using a bottom navigation bar, using bottom navigation bar and add the background color, all property we are add. Okay, so in the bottom navigation bar we are add items, and in the items we are add bottom navigation bar item like a home, search and profile, and its work as a current index equal to selected index item. And in the on tap method we are using on tap here. Okay, so its index is home page is 0, 1 and 2. So here we are click on home, here we are click on search and need the profile. So here is the full example of drawer and bottom navigation bar. Thank you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.